Stories. Okay. Okay. Yeah, follow-up stories and all that. Then yeah.
When is Pinterest used?
Okay. Yeah. And also, you were saying, Pinterest. So Pinterest is also a way wherein people cycling, so it is much easier for people to visit your website. Basically, it's a social media platform wherein you can put up your small description and you can put up the link, and when read more, takes them to your website. Okay. Same. Then there's this other thing about posts that you all have heard. Ask a question. Ask a question. So even yours, if you're page feature of that, this may be a description, and you can come up with questions or you can come up with posts. But I think so. But on Instagram, if you have above 10,000 followers, is when you can put the link. Yeah, swipe up. So when you have after 10,000 followers, is only when you can put up your website, the link for them to go ahead and visit your website. Paid collaboration. Earlier, it used to be there. You wouldn't know who was actually promoting this product. But now, when the celebrity wears a Puma shoes and she actually poses with it, or when she's wearing workout outfit, it will be clearly paid promotion with. So you know that she is promoting this brand.